taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing to love and I love, but that's not what I see. Look what I got.
Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm back for another video. And if you like this look and you want to know how to do it, I'm loading on your screen. Go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
So now I'm starting with a clear face and we're going to be using Smashbox foundation. With a fluffy foundation brush, we're going to use circular motions and work that foundation into my skin. Now I'm using the Revolution baking powder just to set my eyes for the eyeshadow. And I'm so excited to be using the Saharan by Juvia's Place. We're going to take Castina mixed with Chad and we're going to work on the outer lid. Now we're applying Sokoto in the mid lid and we're just going to dab that on top of my lid. I thought this color was really bright and really pigmented, so it was really great to use it for my lid. Now I'm going to take Chad again and apply it to the outer part of my lid, also blending those three colors together. Here comes the fun part. I'm using concealer and a small concealer brush and we're going to start doing the cut crease, starting from my inner tear duct and working my way outward, then slanting it down towards the mid lid. So now I'm taking Senegal and I'm just going to stamp it onto my lid and towards my tear duct. After, I'll be using Iman right there in the tear duct, just stamping it in there just to create a wide eye effect, and then blending it inward. Now to get the fallout, I'm using my Maybelline concealer underneath my eyes, and with my beauty blender, just going to blend it out. And now I'm taking my banana powder again, just to make my eyes flawless and matte as possible underneath that concealer. After, I'm using my Maybelline Master Precise to draw a cat eye on top of my eye. I feel like I'm concentrating so much, so it might take me a little while. And now to finish my matte poreless look, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. And I'm just going to use my fluffy powder brush and just work that powder in. So now I'm using the Revolution blush palette. This palette really has no name for the blushes, so I just used the purple looking one. So now I'm applying my drugstore eyelashes. You guys know that it's really hard for me to keep up with the name with the eyelashes. I really just pick the ones that are stacked. So now I'm going to be using Touched in Soul Stretched Mascara. I really love this mascara because it makes my eyelashes super long. Really don't even need the extra eyelashes, but I wanted them, so there we go. So now I'm using the incredible Iridescent highlight. It's a liquid highlight. I've never really had liquid highlights, and so I had to figure out how to use this, but honestly, I just dabbed a little on my cheeks and on my nose, and then took my fan brush and worked it outward. I love the iridescent look, especially for nighttime. It gives you that glow, that pop. When you take pictures, oh, you're popping. After that, I'm going to be using the Revolution lipstick called Blindfolded. Really creamy, really velvety. Love it so much. And that is it, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you lots. I'm gone. Bye.